Welcome back, everybody, to Funky Star TV worldwide. Thank you for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen. 2023, Bola Tinubu wins in court. This one are the headline of the topic when we want to take a look into about Bola Tinubu winning in the court. And we go see the reason why when the news they tell us say Bola Tinubu don't already win in the court. All right? But before we go into the news, I want to take this little opportunity to thank all of you when they follow Funky Star TV. As my fans all over the world, and also those of you when don't subscribe, I say thank you very much. For those of you who never subscribe, I say make una follow Funky Star TV. Subscribe before it is too late. Bola Tinubu don't win case. But we will see the case when they tell us say Bola Tinubu win. A federal high court in Abuja, then they tell us say they don't fling out a request seeking to nullify the candidature of Bola Tinubu for 2023 election. The Action People's Party, APP, now then drag the All Progressive Congress, APC presidential flag bearer to court in one suit when they also join the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, as the first defendant. All right? But the former Lagos State governor, now him be the second defendant in that particular suit, where they take the sick court to nullify Bola Tinubu's presidential candidacy. They now want to make Bola Tinubu become APC flag bearer. Now the thing they try to tell us now, and it's also they tell us that these particular people will be APP, not be PDP or APP. Now them be the people when drag Bola Tinubu, they go court with INEC people. As Bola Tinubu be the second defendant of this particular matter when they into, also the ruling All Progressive Congress now the third defendants. That is this particular political party. Then sue Bola Tinubu himself, sue INEC, can sue APC people. The plaintiff, na him be the people when we say na them plan this suit. Now then they request court say make court nullify Tinubu. Then they argue say Tinubu say him allegedly submitted the first defendant's false information inside his EC9. Now one kind of form, EC9. And they tell us say the man in question failed to include his primary and secondary school education in his form when the CI 001 of 1999 when he submit ahead of the gubernatorial election. Now the one where they don't do 1999, they now say even that time, 1999, Bola Tinubu not still submit all these things. That is his secondary and the primary school form, 1999. Okay. The APP also, then they claim say one section 29 of the Electoral Act of 2022 and 131 of the 1999 Nigerian Constitution. The APC Council, Babatunde Ogala, and filed a notice of preliminary objection when in they insist say the suit and when APP political party file say it not make any kind of sense to him and the APC people. We never know the people when they claim say the suit not make any sense. Maybe they talk to APC people when be his political party. APC spokesperson Bayo Ona Nuga in condemn say the people when concord all this court matter say Bola Tinubu's thing when they write the court say themselves not come inside the court because of this same matter before Justice Emeka Wati. They not come court, but they sue Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So Justice Wati subsequently, according to the news, struck out the case for lack of diligent prosecution. Okay? They struck out that Bola Ahmed Tinubu's case. Now student tell us about Bola Ahmed Tinubu and these people. The issue when concerned this Bola Ahmed Tinubu's certificate have been a serious problem, and there is no time when court look inside any matter when concerned Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That is to show you say some people in that particular country that they above the law. Somebody like Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Atiku Abubakar. These are untouchable people because now them be the ruling party, the ruling politicians when they rule and they control Nigerian people. There is no time when we hear say court look into any kind of damning case, ladies and gentlemen, about Bola Ahmed Tinubu. No day when they don't look into Bola Ahmed Tinubu matter at all. William Van Un, they don't want even talk about that one. Just as that lead way where they don't want to talk about Buhari's death. Just exactly the way when they don't want to tell us how Boko Haram did that country. They don't want to talk about Bola Ahmed Tinubu's William Van or about anything. Let's say, for example, Bola Ahmed Tinubu come from the southeastern part of Nigeria. Today, when we did, Bola Ahmed Tinubu's name for not day among the people when one contest for 2023 presidency. If to say Bola Ahmed Tinubu na Biafra man. You know. So because he get the way where they see the Biafran people. And he get the way where they see the Yoruba people. And he get the way where they see the northern people. He get the way where they see the poor people. Everything get levels, ladies and gentlemen. If to say na Igbo man. If, let's give example of Peter Obi. Supposing Peter Obi today, as in the campaign now, say Peter Obi not get auditions or he not submit auditions to INEC. Peter Obi name for not day in the ballot come this 2023. Even though say Peter Obi get all these requirements, some people are still blasting him. Now be people when they not get the primary school certificate and the secondary school certificate, then they there. Somebody like Bola Tinubu, see they get mad, they blast Peter Obi. Article that they tell Peter Obi, say, oh, you know, if you win. Even there, you get one lady when come up today, but we go talk about that lady another video. All right. So the lady come and they claim say one constitution. They claim say Peter Obi no fee become Nigerian president, and this will not be the first time. I bet nobody they talk say Bola Tinubu no fee become president because they are corrupt. These are corrupt people. That lady just won't get fame. He won't just use Peter Obi name climb. I say we will talk about that lady matter very, very, very soon. We need to take a look into that woman's matter when they claim say Peter Obi cannot become president come 2023. If Peter Obi not become president come 2023, who will come become president come 2023? Bola Tinubu or Atiku? Now these people I want. When the main people, when they control the nation, according to Nigerian people, they say get some people who get Nigeria, like Babangida, Obasanjo, the former military head of state, Abdulsalami Ambaka, all of them, none of them want Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So how come people they claim say Peter Obi not fit become president? Lastly, about this Bola Ahmed Tinubu, remember, let's say a few months ago, when court discharged Nnamdi Kanu, and the power that be, they say no, they not agree. So why these particular criminals, when they in charge of Nigerian affairs, why they not debunk the court regarding this Bola Ahmed Tinubu's case when they throw away his case, when they take claim, say Bola Ahmed Tinubu not get primary school certificate, secondary school certificate? Why they not say no, the court make, the court judgment not make sense? Say no, then go carry Bola Ahmed Tinubu go Supreme Court. Just exactly the way when they take rejecting Nnamdi Kanu's veteran. Now that they claim say Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't win again in the court. So my question is say, as he be say Malami and his group and the APC people say now know how to manipulate the court verdicts, why it can't be say as court claim say then they throw away this Bola Ahmed Tinubu case? Why una not come and say no? Una got to carry Bola Ahmed Tinubu go Supreme Court or PD people? Why they not say no to this kind of judgment? And I make Funky D, they tell all of us say APC and PDP, they know what that they do. And at the end of the day, nothing will still happen. Remember, say now so Buhari own takes still happen. 2015, 2019. The stories when dominate all those past election, 2015, 2019. Now story of Buhari. No primary school certificate, no secondary school certificate, nothing. The same style. Now Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't carry come. And at the same thing, now people begin talk about now again. And at the end of the day, Bola Ahmed Tinubu will still become your president. And in the tricks, a drug dealer, a money launderer. Una don't know what una do. They call on PDP, made them challenge Bola Ahmed Tinubu and challenge the court when, according to the news, struck out that Bola Tinubu's case. A case against Bola Tinubu when Nigerian people suppose look into. Some ye medias in Nigeria, now then they play down all these things. Now them make all these things that they fly. They don't want the public to know about all this. That is why they are suppressing it all the time. We know see Bola Ahmed Tinubu get his full soldiers like Femi Fani-Kayode them when they help him they do all this kind of things what they do in Nigeria. So my question be say why APC and PDP they not tell that court say they won't carry Bola Tinubu go Supreme Court? Just exactly the same thing when I do to Nnamdi Kanu. Because if you are not doing, shame unto all of us. Bola Tinubu will rig this election. APC then will rig this election and put Bola Tinubu there. That one is certain. Already done. A done deal, ladies and gentlemen. I mean this one all this so.